Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make an amazing grilled BLT. Yes, grilled BLT bacon, lettuce, and tuna. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely amazingly delicious. You haven't had a BLT until you've had mine. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, it is absolutely time to get busy. So let's go over our ingredients as usual. All the ingredients and exact measurements will be in the description so you can make it in your kitchen too. Okay, the first thing we have is a can of tuna. Now I have tuna in water. It's the best kind when you're making these BLTs. So you'll need a can of tuna, more if you want to make multiple sandwiches. Oh my goodness, so many ingredients, but it's really not a lot. We need our bacon. I am using hickory smoked bacon. You can use whatever kind you want. You can even substitute it and use turkey bacon if you like. I'm using 2 cheeses, cheddar and provolone. Use your favorite cheese. You also will need a boiled and chopped egg, some tomato, lettuce, a little butter, and I'm using butter and duck fat to grill this sandwich with, but you can use anything you want. You can use a little olive oil with your butter if you'd like to do that too. I have a little red onion cut up here. We have celery. I have dill, relish, mayo, mustard, garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of thyme. Oh my goodness, this is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to have my sandwich. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so our bacon is all done. Make sure when you cook your bacon, it comes out nice and crispy. We don't want flabby bacon on our sandwich, so just make sure. Also, we have already opened and drained our tuna into the dish. When you do that, make sure you wash off your can first. I don't care if it's tuna, veggies, or whatever. If you're using something out of a can, make sure you wash your can first. It's been handled by a lot of people, so make sure you wash your can. Okay, so we're going to put in our mayo, go in with the little mustard. Now I am actually using dill mustard. That's because I love dill mustard and it is not coming out of here. Okay, so now we have our mustard in there. We're going to go in with a little pickle relish. Now I am using dill pickle relish, so we're going to go in with some of our onion, some of our celery. And you can use as much or as little of these ingredients as you like. Our thyme. These are my favorite flavors for tuna. A little garlic powder. A little Himalayan salt. A little black pepper. And our egg. Make sure everything is well combined. Then you want to give it a little taste. Matter of fact, I'm going to use this spoon. Then you want to give it a little taste to make sure you don't need to add anything else according to your own flavor profile, what you like to have in your tuna. So I'm going to mix this up real well and we'll be right back. Okay, now typically 1 can will actually make 2 sandwiches. Going down first with my provolone and cheddar cheese. You want that closest to the bread so that when you grill it, it will melt really well. Then we're actually just building it kind of bottom up. So now we're going to go in with our tuna. And I kind of like to layer my tuna. So I go in with a little tuna down at the bottom. Spread it out evenly as you can on your sandwich. Then I like to go in with a little lettuce on top of that. Now I'm going to go in with just a little bit more of my tuna. And from there, we're going to put in our tomatoes, just a few tomatoes, 2 or 3 tomatoes on here. Now, you never want to put your tomatoes directly next to your bread, because then you'll have what? Soggy bread in the end. So now we're going to take our bacon, and I just like to kind of break them in half here. No rhyme, no reason. Then we're going to head over to the stove, and I'm going to show you how we're going to get this beautiful sandwich all grilled up. Push it down some, of course, push it down. Okay, meet me at the stove. Okay, so we are ready to grill this sandwich. I'm going to go in with a little duck fat. If you're using olive oil or something, this is the time you'd want to go in with it. Go ahead and make sure it's spread on all of your grates. That's melted. Put your cheese side down first on your grates. Then go in with something heavy. I'm just using a very small, very small, tiny cast iron skillet. You want to apply a little weight to the sandwich so that it'll get those good grill marks on it. So we're going to let it sit like this for about a minute, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we should be ready to turn it over. We are going to go in with a little bit more butter on our grates here. And if you don't have a grate like this, you can do this either outside on the grill, or you can do this just in a regular skillet. You just won't have the lines on there. That's all. It's all good. There we go. If any of your tuna wastes out, try to remove it from your grates before you turn it over. All right, now we'll cook that side and we'll be back. Okay, I think our sandwich is all done. I'm going to bring you guys in closer so you can take a look. Okay guys, we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? Now I'm going to bring you guys up close because I'm going to cut it in half for you guys, but I just wanted you to see it before then. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. Let me get you guys up close so we can cut into it. Okay, let's set this aside so we can actually get it cut really nice. I just want you guys to see all the cheese and stuff on the inside. Delicious, delicious. I'll cut it this way. Oh, see how crispy that is? Nicely grilled, guys. And it smells amazing with that thyme in there. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to give the video a like and share it out. That's the one thing that everyone can do for me, is to share it out. Yes. Okay. Is it cut? It's cut. It is cut. Let's take a look at the inside. Tell everyone you know that cooking at Pam's place is over here making amazing food that you can cook in your kitchen too. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely amazing. Thank you all again, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.